Biren reiterates all poppy plants vastly grown in various parts of the state will be completely destroyed by March 2018. States Republic Day celebration concludes with a beating the retreat ceremony held at the first Manipur Rifles Parade ground today. State government felicitates world's weightlifting champion Saiko Mirabai with cash awards of 20 lakh rupees. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian says equal development in the hills and valley is necessary for a new Manipur. Manipur women football team drops a Sagai region women football team 7-0 in the first Indo-Myanmar women friendly football match 2018 today. And Minerva Punjab beats home team Neroka FC in an I-League match at Khuman Lampak today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren asserted the Congress in its 15 years rule in the state was indifferent in taking up developmental projects for the welfare of the people despite repeated appeal which the present BJP government paid heed in its short span of just around 9 months of rule in the state. The Chief Minister was speaking at the distribution of financial assistance for education for children of widows for the first time in the constituency initiated by MLA Langtabal and CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham today. Speaking as chief guest at the event organized by Langtabal Kendra Widows Welfare Association at Lilong Chajing Mairenkhong Community Hall, Biren asserted that instead of mere publicity on media for taking up various welfare projects, practical works should be done. Biren also stated that efforts are in place to take rapid actions against those involved in cases related to intoxicants abuses. In the similar manner, the fast-track court has taken actions against those involved in atrocities against women. He reiterated that a committee will be set up today itself to completely destroy all poppy plants grown vastly in various parts of the state by March this year. The Chief Minister stressed that his government is putting all-out efforts to bring peace and harmony in the state and to ensure people's rights. He reiterated that his government will not compromise any destructive forces bringing any form of plights to the people of the state.
Aikoigi police officer fatabanate, moida award pa laibanate, DC sing fatabanate, moida award pa laibanate. Aikoigi praja sing fatabanate, moida award pa laibanate. Proper leader manaina guide fajana tobida badagi. Mayangi na kari tawraga fagata ki wakhalon bida badagi ne banga se koina phumbang na raglai ramis. Asuk nungsina graba singmi amani tami aikoigi mark sida leirami ba gap se mo. Thabuk tawbo matamda aigi haiba pot amakhak na mang tharagadi siya yararoi. Aigi kana bada mo mang tharaga chalaba thabuk do soi oiraroi da. Mayam gi oina satpiyo. Mayam gi oina kana rakpadu da aigi dum yaurobani.
Taking part in the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham asserted that the state government is making the highest efforts to prevent corruption, which has rendered grievous inconveniences to the educated youth in the state. He maintains that various actions are taken to end corruption in such a short span of time by the present government is moving fast in the positive direction. Karam Sham told the gathering that there is strong belief that the state would surely be corruption-free. He encouraged the youth not to lose heart and to work hard with determination to be successful. He said that the event was organized with the vision that Manipur would be innovated if the younger generation is encouraged and motivated by giving assistance in their educational pursuit. Karam Sham opined that even if various development projects are initiated by the Chief Minister, there will be no development if the cabinet ministers and MLAs are inefficient, and called on the representatives of the people to be responsible enough. MLA Wangoy Olukoy was also present at the event.
Akui phabai Chief Minister phana ba ge choba maram Chief Minister na phana pharaga cabinet minister akui na phatragati leibak si pharoi doin aduna awon ba ran ti tangka ama adi hojikti lakrabani aduna isajing phajana like taman biyo paisa leite wabirunu akui na su pangba yaba pangani tawba yaba tawgani aduna Manipur se awon ba ran ti tangka ama hojikti lakrabani adubo kana gumna kalak khamban bagi wa mayam ama ngangdabadi natti.
The state 69th Republic Day celebration concluded with the military ceremony beating the retreat at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. Governor of Manipur Najma A. Haptullah awarded the top 3 contingents of the Republic Day parades. The governor also presented prizes to the position holders from police department, school, college, bands, tableau, and to the officials of the department who set up decorative gates for the celebration. Cultural groups that participated as contingents in the Republic Day parade also showcased cultural performances at the event that commenced at 1 in the afternoon today. Assam Rifles Piper Band opened the music drill, followed by the Manipur Police, Manipur Rifles, CRPS, IRB, etc. Later, the tricolor national flag was lowered in a military fashion. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren, after the beating the retreat ceremony, presented a Swachh Bharat Gramin Award to assorted persons from all the districts of Manipur. Ministers, MLAs, civil and top brass police officials and students attended the ceremony.
The Kangpopi district being accorded a 3rd position, 9 contingent, 1st position, Sainik School. Third position, NCC, female, and Manakusina, governor of Manipur. Winner of the 1st position. M. Pakashini.
State government felicitated the world's weightlifting champion Saiko Mirabai Chanu at the Chief Minister's bungalow today. Mirabai is a weightlifter of the state and the 2nd Indian to bag a gold in the world's weightlifting championship after Karna Maleshwari 22 years ago. Mirabai not only bagged the medal but also set records in the World Weightlifting Championship in the 48 kg category held at Anaheim in the United States of America last December. Mirabai, who hails from Nongpok Kakching in Imphal East District, started weightlifting since 2007 despite various hardships. She participated in various championship events at national, international, and even at the Olympics. Speaking on the occasion, Mirabai drew the attention of the state government to provide appropriate job opportunity to every sportspersons in the state in order to produce more sportspersons from the state.
Fazna amuk hena isada prepare fazna ina soji budo kumaina soji buno haina fazna tumzaba da ina fazna khanjaraga asi all lifting championship da chahi kungani thoigi matungda koi lifting jo ina chahi kuni thoigi matungda ina all lifting championship da medal logo ngamjarakani 1995 da Karna Maleshwari ala madam sina medal logibani madugi matungda lifter amatana kanamtana medals logo ngamjana lerakani Mayamgi support tagi, Oza Singh support tagi, TM da laiba process mayamgi support tagi ay da medal logo ngamjarakani.
Council of Ministers accorded a warm reception to Saiko Mirabai Chanu and her parents and presented the champion with 20 lakh rupees today. Chief Minister Biren, ministers, MLAs, officials of Youth Affairs and Sports Department were among those present at the event. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Biren stated that the state government has been providing appropriate job opportunities to more than 140 players of the state and will continue to do so in future.
Mirabai su state government is high teki koi offer tori kari karamba uji railway da lebiri duna kari post no adiga koi state government dana kari to we age madu hafet imung manung singa tana raga so sanga tana raga koi da madu gi offer ma to biramo adugi matungina koi su government gi niyom sama leibani na niyom no gi wang da koi na kalai phok to we gold medalist world cup kina kadai phok to we kari to we have do koi khana raga best maximum level da koi yokhot kani.
A consultative meeting on the draft rules of prevention of cruelty to animals, Pet Shop Rules 2016 and Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Regulation of Livestock Market Rules 2017 was held today for the stakeholders. Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry organized the consultative meeting at a veterinary complex Sanjentong. The meeting was held with an objective to discuss the draft rules of Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 that have been updated by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change into Preventive of Cruelty to Animals, Pet Shop Rules 2016 and Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, a Regulation of Livestock Market Rules 2017. Members of People for Animal, representatives from other related organizations and student organizations attended the meeting and shared their opinions.
26 December 1960 Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 sila itharaba. Hojiti makal makha kaya ni animal trade to busing karbar tawba mayam sinsu inaga draft rules si change mo toraga rule mayam adopt to. Aduta ekon mayam so khangna dibadoli madoli. Animals are our best friend who never asks nor pass any question. Makoi siki cruelty to boda. Tati to na to you mayam sinsi tingnan na bagi India ko may napido rules sinsi. Ekoi ayam mana iwo daba.
Patriotic Writers Forum PAWF Manipur will present the Arambam Ibungo Hal and Binod Kumari Literary Award 2017 to Lenin Kumanchas, sub-editor at the local daily Shanghai Express, for his poetry book Matamgi Manglan. The Patriotic Writers Forum confers the annual award to poets from the state below the age of 35. The award will be presented on February 25 on the occasion of the memorial observance of Arambam Ibungohal and Binod Kumari at Manipur Press Club. The award carries a cash prize of 5,000 rupees, a citation, a shawl and a memento. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM and Coordinating Body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur CBST DCM met a former director of Department of Economics and Statistics Biren in connection with the third phase of their campaign, Lamdam Sigi Masak Naiba Mioi Singdagi Mot Loba, initiated on January 20. During the meeting, Biren asserted that the Meitei community is an inherent indigenous inhabitant of the state. He opines that as per the Hindi-speaking people or the Indian constitution, the Meiteis are known as Adivasi or scheduled tribe. He asserted that there should be no further arguments on the matter. Biren maintains that Meitei community's living standard and socio-economic condition is still backward, and its current status entitles Meitei community to be included in the scheduled tribe list. He also maintains that it will be right to conduct the ethnography and socio-economic status survey of Meitei community by Statistics Department, as it has become the nodal agency of socio-economy survey since 2011. He opines that there is no degradation in being a tribal. Rather, it would be an acknowledgement of the real identity of our forefathers and making this unique identity known to the rest of the world. Biren asserted that Meitei society should consider its future generation and take the necessary steps now. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Mandal Sammelan organized by BJP Thangmaiban Mandal. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian asserted that unity, peace and harmony among the people of different communities and equal development in the hills and the valley is needed for a new and developed Manipur. V. Hankalian was speaking at the Mandal Sammelan held at Ibudhau Laijingningthau Shanglen, Thangmaiban, organized by BJP Thangmaiban Mandal today. The minister stated that development in a society is not a responsibility of the government alone and that the role of general public is important for a good governance and development in the state. He maintains that it can be announced that there is no more bund and blockade with the coming of the BJP-led state government in this and appeals to the people to focus towards bringing development. Speaking on the occasion, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Rajya Sabha MP Ketrimeyum Bhavananda said that Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren's initiatives for the development of the state is commendable. He said the infrastructure alone cannot scale development of a state, but good governance which brings peace and harmony among the people of different communities inhabiting in the state also counts. MP Ketrimeyum Bhavananda, along with several ministers and MLAs, also inaugurated Maira Paibi Shanglen of Thangmaiban, Laijing Laima, Maira Lup prior to the Sammelan.
Go to hills, I say, Sing the Chalo, Sing the Panchat Chalaga Kanagado late, Sing the award Pakarelege, Tambi award Pakarelege, Saufat Horanda, development simultaneously Saufat Trade, Manipur Sit Saufat Power. Manipur Nunsia, Sing Su, Kampaksu, Saufam Minatai. Aduba, Sing me, Tambi Haidana, Manipur ki Praja Sing Sia Magama Sinama Kanga.
Leba chaukat matamda kone darkar le ri bisi kari yana nada leba to le shanti le bam darkar le peace kwai dagi darkar le law and order ngak pangamba adu ma sarkar ma darkar le adu gi matung da miyam akoi gi jati manada mayam ma leba ama oi gini na miu jati punmo singchina ba ma darkar le high preconditions mayam ji yar kam da koi leba to the development has a purpose.
Members and volunteers of People Action Committee PAC and North East Forum for International Solidarity NEFIS and Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights burnt down the effigies of UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Minister of Home Affairs Rajnath Singh, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah, against the failure of the government of Manipur and government of Uttar Pradesh to hand over the case of the mysterious death of Pravish Chanam to the CBI at Uripok Achom Leka Imphal West District today. It may be mentioned that the organizations have served ultimatum till today demanding to hand over the case of the suspicious death of Chanam Pravish to the CBI. The organizations already announced that series of mass movement will be launched if both the government fail to hand over the matter to the CBI on 17 January 2018. Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC, stated that a 6-week program on technology-based entrepreneurship development program on food processing will be held at Loktak Modern Fish Market, Moirang from February 15 to March 29, organized by MASTEC. The director in the press release said interested persons can visit MASTEC office or Moirang Municipal Council office for more details. Native community of Manipur, Aimol, celebrated its Raishok festival at Kharam Thadoi, Kangpokpi district today. Speaking on the occasion, village chief Komjalen said Raishok is an important flower grown in the village since the settlement of Kharam Thadoi village. He said the Raishok flower, according to the forefathers, is used to express love for each other among the youth, and also it is believed that if anyone presents the flower to the lover, their love prospers. He said such ritual of expressing love among the youngsters is still in practice. Raishok festival is celebrated during the months of December to March, where villagers perform traditional dance and other cultural shows during the festival.
Leilang ba na akoi pakhang leisabi na leisabi pakhang da leilang ba na pinarame khudon oina matam adugi matung ina sannabi oina aduna marak marta akoi na masigi chai olakpa magsigi kumtha phare lamta haiba matam nungai ba matam asida khuna leilang ba leichen ba leipina ba leihuk ba se pakhang le sabi ai khona season naram.
Sky Hospital in a press release stated that the hospital has conducted a complex open heart surgery successfully for the first time on a 6-year-old girl on January 13. The patient is the daughter of Langkagen from New Lamka, Churachandpur district, Manipur. She was born with one hole in the heart and multiple heart defects. The hospital in a press release stated that the operation charges and hospital charges were provided free of cost under joint venture of RBSK, National Health Mission, Manipur and Sky Hospital, Imphal. A major boxing association, Thobal district, felicitated and Baby Roji Sanachanu and Sanamacha Chanu Tokchom, who bagged gold and silver respectively in the 7th Nation Cup Women Boxing Tournament held at Sombor, Serbia from January 7 to 9 at Kangabok today. And Baby Rojisana Chanu bagged the gold in the 52 kg category of the tournament, while Sanamacha bagged the silver medal in the 72 kg category of the tournament. The players were presented with gifts on the occasion. Speaking to media persons, the duo said that they have been selected to take part in Khelo India, the national championship to be held in New Delhi, and they will give their best to win gold in the championship. They said they also set a goal to take part in the Olympic and bag golds. Manipur women football team representing India dropped the Sagaing region women football team of Myanmar 7-0 in the 2 days ongoing Indo-Myanmar Women Friendly Football Match 2018 today. The match was played at Mandalar Thiri Sports Stadium, Mandalay. For the winners, jersey number 11, Kashmina, made a hat-trick in the 11th, 25th and 32nd minutes of the match. And jersey number 10 as Rina Roy netted 2 goals in the 26th and 37th minutes of the match. In the second half of the match, jersey number 17 or Rebecca netted 2 more goals in the 59th and 63rd minutes of the match. Coach of Manipur women football, Moirangthem Ratan Kumar, and team manager S. Mani Ratan told Impact News that though the Manipuri team has won today's match, another crucial match is awaiting the team on January 28 with the Mandalay women football team.
Hayengi mesini am luri se hayengi se taseng na mogi akoi Brahma gi mogi country gi represent toba player moi tare nipan yorkani aduna akoi mase aini so aduna second half se da ayam ba khoi player lo thore se hayengi ne na pothan ba hayengi recovery pi de di ngasai moi team je khara sweep oi adi ranking jo khoi India ri moi na 45 ground le akoina sana 50 mana sama khena ba khas leiba
but akoina moi gi planning ma silisina akoi gi khitang week oiba team Saigang region si ngasi sana laga then hayeng tomorrow's match will be very crucial hayeng mandle gi sidi moi maybe international player tara hapchalak pa yai or ama tor pa yai aduna adu amarom da akoina hygienic budi is a very good relation with whatever they are doing. They are facilitating, providing fooding, lodging accommodation is excellent. Then the supporting staff also very excellent.
Okay, yang aja hengi match tesu Manipur gi tim na soidra mai pak pangam nu kita akan memong da ko gi oja mayam gi mieng makha da du sanoi sengi yam kana hona jaba dedication am the focus ki makha da heng se sanakan ha bagi wakalong na. This is Rajnathom signing out from Mandlar Stadium, Mandalay.
Minister for Security and Border Affairs Colonel Kyo Kyo Min, wife of Chief Minister of Mandalay Region Dr. Yu May, and YAS Minister, Government of Manipur Letpa Haukip were the main dignitaries of the 2 days ongoing Indo-Myanmar Women Friendly Football Match 2018, which started today. Many crowd from Mandalay gathered at Mandalar Thiri Sports Stadium to witness the match. Speaking at the launch of the event, Minister for Security and Border Affairs Mandalay Colonel Kyo Kyo Min and YAS Minister of Manipur Letpa Haukip asserted that the friendly match will enhance the harmonious relationships between the two nations. Business delegates and MLAs who accompanied the Manipuri team felicitated the players with cash awards at Hotel Mandalay, where the players are staying. MLA P. Brojen presented 15,000 rupees. Managing Director of Shiza Hospital, Dr. K. Palin, presented 10,000 rupees. And other business delegates also presented cash prizes to the Manipuri players as an encouragement on winning the match today.
Sagang region ka sana bada koi Manipur women team na. Yam phajaba play ama tawdana ngasi de khoi yam phajana mai pae loina khoi gi players sing yeng bada doki matik yam phajai yam na manana passing chap chana ngasi sana ki budu yam phajagi hayeng su ai khoi Myanmar ge khoi Mandalay region siga sana ga dori se masida khoi mai pa aga te matik nungai kani maram de khoi puna mangna la ese khoi players sing sa hope toroga khoi na thoi ta ba adi hai bachi gi khoi wakhanda lakpani aduna hayeng khoi gi players sing damak ta su khoi Lakini be koi mayam dagi wish tauna ba loina na hangi bada koi nungai na pochai kya lai na bagi koi asa tor ga lai hayeng mai pak ta ba adi hai basi koi aning mani le punu ma thank you sagang.
The Manipuri players expressed happiness on winning the match today. They told Impact News that they will put all out efforts in tomorrow's match against Mandalay women football team.
Ngasi gi mai pak pasina lotion banataba hayeng amuka mai paaga mayam langminariba mayam je punna mai paaga Manipur da han kisi haina thamjage
ai di aina khajab ojana pija bai gi position adumak soidana ba sanaje na kanje dusu striker ai goal chanabni ne ai di goal chandabe ade na khallaga isada ka dabe ade Manipur gi mai proktabe ade haiduna sanabre du
lingni mo jadu su akhoi ngasi sanarje de hena hayeng na team spirit hena kanna sanajage na khanje.
Minerva Punjab beat home team Neroka FC 1-0 in an I-League match played today at Kumalam Park Main Stadium. The winning goal for Minerva Punjab was scored just a second minute after the match commenced by Bhutanese striker Chencho Gelshen. Minerva Punjab FC is at the top of the table of the I-League with 25 points, 3 being from today's win. Both the teams played with strong determination today. Neroka FC's goalkeeper Bishorjit kept a strict eye and prevented any further score from the opponent team. Neroka FC is in the second of the I-League table with 21 points with 6 wins out of 12 matches played, 3 drawn and 3 lost, including today's defeat to Minerva Punjab. Neroka FC will meet Churchill Brothers in an away match at Tilak Maidan Stadium, Goa on January 30. SMMC Santel beat HMLFC Lilong 1-0 in the match of the Hanif Shah Memorial State Level Manipur Muslim Football Tournament 2018 played at Kwakta Bazaar Public Ground today. While in the second match of the tournament, which commenced on January 14 at Bazaar Public Ground, PYDA Kwakta GP beat LIC Moijing Thobal District 1-0. PYDA Kwakta GP's jersey number 3 Muhammad Aman scored the winning goal to defeat LIC Moijing Thobal District. Consequently, Muhammad Aman was declared man of the match. NMLSC Ngarian will meet KMFC Kairang, and in another match, PYFC Porampat will meet YUFC Yaripog in the tournament's matches tomorrow. Kerala Blasters will meet Delhi Dynamos in the match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kerala at 8 tonight. In the match played yesterday at Sri Kantivarava Stadium, Bengaluru FC beat North East United 2-1. The 2 goals of Bengaluru FC was netted by Jonan and Sunil Chetri in the 14th and 51st minute of the match, while the lone goal of North East United was netted by Marcio de Souza Gregorio Jr. in the 45+2 minutes of the match. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren reiterates all poppy plants vastly grown in various parts of the state will be completely destroyed by March 2018. State's Republic Day celebration concludes with a beating the retreat ceremony held at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. State government felicitate World Weightlifting Champion Saiko Mirabai with cash awards of 20 lakh rupees. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian says equal development in hills and valleys is necessary for a new Manipur. Manipur women football team drops Sagaing region women football team 7-0 in the first Indo-Myanmar women friendly football match 2018 today. And Minerva Punjab beats home team Neroka FC in an I-League match at Kumanlam Park today.